from just 23 north and south is roughly 40% of the global population. I think is half or more than half if you go to 30. But if you look at this map here, you kind of look at 30 north to 30 south, you can see that the tropics are roughly half of the planet. So the meteorological definition, in this meteorological definition, the tropics cover like half of the planet. And now that we're in there, right, since you're looking at that, you can see that a lot of important countries are in the meteorological definition of the tropics. So a lot of big countries are there, and a lot of like highly populated countries are. And from just 23 north and south is roughly 40% of the global population. I think is half or more than half if you go to 30. So we're talking about at least half of the global population lives in the tropics. And then the other half mostly lives in the mid latitudes, which is where we're living.
And so your expertise is here in the tropics, which is totally underrated. And like you said, in most flat representations, misrepresented as a lot smaller than it is. Talking about half of the population almost, or about of the world lives in these spaces. And there's just not a lot of people studying the weather patterns of the tropics.